here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's finally here, I know. So I'm super excited about this new journey with you guys. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna do a whole bunch of vlogs. I know y'all like my little tutorials or whatever. You know, we're just gonna do day in the life, a couple pranks, challenges, you know, just really living our best life. So you guys wanted me to do a Q&A. So I said, why not be the first video so we can start off good, you know, get to know each other, whatever. So I asked you guys in a poll on my Instagram to ask me some questions, and you guys did. You guys sent me so many. So I'm only going to do a couple. The first one is by Sushi, and he said, how old are you? I am 18 years old.
Party recording, yeah.
I just turned 18. My birthday's May 1st. Yeah, I'm a Taurus. You already know the vibes. The.official.kim says, what's your favorite color? So lately I've been feeling red a lot. Red's always been my favorite color, but I like lime green, I like browns, I love black. And I like blues. I like but light blue though, not dark blue. And I like pink. Alan Galavi 68 asked, what do you look for in a man? I look for a lot, but not a lot in a man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So let me explain. So I look for respect for me, for himself, respect in his family, respect in, you know, his job, just respect in general. You know, how he treats females in his life. So like his mom or his sister or his grandmother, or those types of figures is how he's gonna treat me. So I look for that. I look for drive and determination. Does he have a goal, and is he willing to work for it? Another thing is, I'm religious, so you know, a faith in God, or willing to build on his faith, because not everybody, you know, believes in that stuff. And you know, somebody that can make me laugh. That's easy though, because I laugh at anything. Cassidy London 16 asked, are you dating anyone right now? I'm not. I'm a single Pringle. Yeah, baby. It's really sad out here. When am I gonna start my modeling career? I don't know. So the thing is, I've always wanted to model. That's something I've always wanted to try. But I genuinely feel like I could not pull it off, just because I'm so awkward when it comes to taking pictures. Like, when it's me taking my own pictures, it's fine, because I look at my camera like I can see myself. But when somebody else is taking my pictures, I'll be like... And then I run out of poses. Like, I don't know how to pose. But I definitely want to start soon, you know. Do like a couple shoots here and there, you know. Even just to build my own portfolio. You know, just have a couple pictures under my belt. Mag 4L12345 said, what's your dream job? This, actually, YouTube, just entertaining, just offering a positive light, being myself, and inspiring others to be themselves around me is just, you know, something I've always wanted to do. Just being able to see people laugh at like something I've done or something I've said, just seeing people smile, it really just, it warms my heart. So yeah, if you could choose to have a big butt or a nice size boobs, which would be your choice? I would probably say a big butt, because I like my boobies. Itty bitty titty. I like my boobies just how they are. And I definitely could use some help back there. So I'm gonna take that big booty. Call me Big Booty Judy and get on my day. Get on with my day. Paula Canseco said, do you love having curly hair? By the way, you never texted me back, amiga, pero I love you. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna text you back. I'm sorry. I do love having curly hair, actually. For a while, it took me a long time to get used to it. You know, because when you're little, you don't really know how to take care of it. And it's like, you know, you get to a certain age where it's like, Mom, don't touch my hair. Like, I want to do my own hair. It's, you know, it's already difficult. And then it's like, okay, like, I would see, like, a bunch of curly-haired girls that, you know, their hair would be nice, and mine wouldn't look like that because I had no idea what the hell I was doing. And then, you know, I would always wanted to straighten it. Like all the white girls, they had their nice little straight hair, and I thought it was so pretty, and I was just like, damn. So for a while I hated it, and then once I started learning, different styles, how to take care of it, how to wash it, how to detangle it, like all that kinds of stuff, is when I really started to like it. What am I doing for Halloween? So for Halloween, hopefully I get to go to Orlando for the It takeover. But if not, then I'll just be chilling at home by myself. Ike Frost asked, how long have you been single? So I have been single for... Okay. So technically I've been single for a year, almost 2 years now, since my last relationship, but I don't really count it that, so technically I've been single for 18 years, but... Barton.lee.ks, where do you see yourself in 10 years? In 10 years, I see myself hopefully married. How old will I be? I'll be 28. Hopefully a kid, a little baby boy or a baby girl, I don't care. But definitely having my own business. I want to have my own house. And in 10 years, I want to really have built my social media and really just be making a positive and beautiful impact on people. And in 10 years, hopefully, I'll be able to do a voiceover for a character, because I've always wanted to do that. Whether it be like a Netflix, like a show, or like a movie, just a voiceover for a character in general. Lyric.shambra asks, what do you love about yourself? One of the things that I do love about myself, and I hate at the same time, is how big my heart is. I'm the type of person that I care too much, and I care really easily. I can meet somebody and, I will instantly get attached to them, and sometimes I'll put them before myself. And on top of that too, once I care about you, I grow a love for you. Some of my best friendships have come from that. And I'm so grateful for that. I'm so grateful for them and just in general. So that's one thing I love about myself is, I guess how easy it is to connect with people. Yeah, that's the best way to put it. Maria.Diaz asked, what's your height? I'm 5'3". I'm not 5'2", I'm not 5'4", I'm 5'3". A lot of times people think that I'm a lot taller. I guess because like in my videos, the way that I like angle stuff. But no, I'm 5'3". I'm not short though, but I'm not tall. AV's Vibing _ asks, your favorite thing about Texas so far? My favorite thing about Texas is I like how close everything is. I love the highways. I love driving fast. I love not having a lot of stoplights or stop signs. Like, I be getting so frustrated. Even though people drive really fast over here, I'm crazy. I love the highways. I love the roads. At first I didn't think I would like I don't know if y'all know. I live in San Antonio, so like the 35 is right there, and then they have like the little like side roads, like the little service roads, I think they're called. At first I didn't think I would like them, but I actually do. I do a lot, actually. And I love the food here. Oh, I love the food. Because coming from Jersey, there was no types of food. The only food that there was the McDonald's that was like close to my house. And then any other food, you had to drive 30 minutes. No. I don't think so. I don't think so.
I don't think so, pal.
So, in the Sonics out here, they are so good. They are so good. CJ.the1.rula asks, artists you listen to, put me on. I listen to Emotional Oranges, Tame Impala, Kehlani, Polo G, J.I., Lil Durk. I listen to, Osuna, Bad Bunny, Darel, Sech. Oh my god, I love Sech. Who else? I listen to Clairo, Girl in Red. I like Girl in Red. I like her. I listen to her. I listen to Russ. I like Russ. A lot of people don't like Russ, and I don't understand why, because some of his songs do be trash. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but he is strong in his use on wordplay. So you're not gonna catch what he's saying right away, but like after you catch it, you're just like,
Oh my God! Wow!
bro, he did that. I listen to I like Young Boy. I do. I like Young Boy. I don't think he's like not my favorite, but I like him. Like sometimes he could be a little overrated. I'm not gonna lie to you, but he's not bad. Like people who love like just trashing him, and I'm like, no, he's not bad. He's just not the best. But yeah, I listen to a lot. But that's like some of like the most recent popular artists that I listen to. Everybody was asking this in my TikTok live, so I told them, I was like, tune into my Q&A and find out. But everybody was asking me what my real name is. My real name's not Nani, it's Melanie. I'm not gonna say my last name because that's federal. But my name's Melanie. I get like, okay, so y'all probably gonna ask why I like to be called Nani or why I call myself Nani. So when my brother was little, he couldn't say Melanie. He was like, no, Melanie's too long, Nani. So he would be like, Nani, Nani, Nani. So he called me Nani. And so ever since then, like, I like, you know, like when they be in school and they be like, do you go by anything other than Melanie? And I'm like, no, you call me Melanie. Some people like to call me Mel. I used to not like it because I used to think it was a boy's nickname, but I don't really care. Some people call me Melon. It is what it is. I noticed a lot of like my social media friends call me Nani, especially after they find out my real name's Melanie. They're like, nah, I'm gonna just call you Nani. But yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys got to get to know me a little bit better. I'm super excited for this new journey that we're about to embark on together. It's about to be so fun. I promise you, we're gonna have so much fun. I'm gonna try and post at least twice a week for you guys, so make sure you turn on your post notifications, subscribe, like this video, comment down below anything you want to tell me, any types of videos you guys want to see. I want to know. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Love you.